Hey art lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of art by blending the beauty of Indian saris with the captivating allure of anime. So, grab your drawing materials because we are about to embark on an exciting artistic journey together. Have you ever wondered how a traditional Indian sari would look on an anime character? Well, today, we are going to explore just that. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors of Indian saris combined with the unique art style of anime create a stunning fusion that is sure to leave you in awe. Now, let's talk about the challenge we are taking on today. Combining two distinct styles like Indian traditional attire and anime art may seem daunting at first. However, with a bit of creativity and attention to detail, we can seamlessly merge these two worlds to create a harmonious and visually striking artwork. Are you ready to dive into the creative process? Let's start by sketching out the Indian anime girl. Pay close attention to the facial features, the flow of the hair, and the graceful draping of the Gulabi Saree. Remember, details are key when bringing this fusion character to life. As we progress through the step-by-step tutorial, you'll see the artwork come together, revealing the final illustration of our Indian anime girl in Gulabi Saree. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details and the unique blend of Indian and anime styles that make this character truly one of a kind. In conclusion, let's recap the key steps we took to create this stunning artwork. By blending Indian aesthetics with anime influences, we have crafted a character that celebrates the beauty of cultural fusion. The result is a masterpiece that showcases the best of both worlds in a harmonious union. Now, it's your turn to unleash your creativity. I encourage you to try creating your own fusion artwork inspired by different cultural influences. Share your drawings in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more art tutorials and creative content. Let's keep the artistic journey alive together. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep drawing and stay inspired.